and JavaScript point of view as well. So REST parameter function means that function has a one parameter called it as a REST parameter. That how we can create that REST parameter? Simply function is a keyword followed by the, for example, I mentioned the function name display open close bracket. For the REST parameter, we use a one operator that is a spread operator. That is a 3 dots indicates spread operator. That spread operator is given by the Ecma script. So we use a spread operator followed by the variable name, and that variable should be your array. So for example, I give the atom and whose atom is type of number array. So make it that variable is an array. Then that variable may be your number array, string array, any type array, Boolean array, whatever data type you want to mention, you can mention it that there itself. So curly bracket and open close bracket. Simply I can write here logic console.log and just only print the atom, means your array value. Okay. When we call that display function, we can pass one or more parameter or one or more argument to the REST parameter function. Arjun, please mute your mic, please. If you want any doubt, then you can unmute it. Otherwise, please mute. Okay. When we call that display method, we can pass one or more argument at the calling time, and that parameter will be received in a atom number array. That we can make it variable as an array, and we learn the array is growable and shrinkable dynamically. So there is no need to give any fixed length of a array. So that will be achieved with the help of REST parameter function. Whereas that 3 dots, that 3 dots is called a spread operator. Spread operator. And including 3 dots and that variable name, we called it as a REST parameter. We called it as a REST parameter. Okay. In core Java, I think that 3 dots, we call it as a var argument, correct? In a core Java. Var argument, you also learned that in core Java, correct? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, Amit. Are you aware about the var argument in core Java?
No, Sumit.
Okay. Okay. Now today your first task is how can you use a var array in a core Java. Okay, everybody's explore these things for the core Java. Core Java also has a present 3 dots. That 3 dots indicates var argument. You can pass any parameter var argument to your method. Here we call it as a spread operator, and that full parameter we call it as a REST parameter function. Okay. Okay. How we can work it? Just check out that. So we can call that REST parameter with the help of display name. We can pass a one or more argument to this display function. For example, I pass 10, 20. Okay, that 10 and 20 will be received in an atom number array, and we will get the output, whatever the argument we can pass. Okay, just check out that. Okay, compile and run. So we will get 10 and 20. All argument will be received with the help of REST parameter. If you want to pass more parameter, you can pass it. It is allowed. Basically, it is REST parameter is designed for that purpose. You can pass many more arguments at the time of calling. Okay, just we can cross check this thing as well. Compile and run. So 10, 20, 30, 45, 80. Fine. So there is no limit how much, how many parameter we can pass. There is no any limit. You can pass many more parameters from that display, and that parameter will be handled by this res parameter.